Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about the Tableau pie charts. So if you are working on Salesforce reports and dashboards, so in that you need to create charts. So for that you can use the Tableau to create the charts and graphs. So in this video we are going to create pie chart, and on the screen you can see the demo of a pie chart that I have created using the Tableau Superstore database. So if you are using Tableau to create the data visualization for your Salesforce data, then what you can do that you can create a custom report, and you can export this report in the Excel format, and then this file in the Excel format can be used as a data source to create a Tableau chart. So in this video we will learn how to create a pie chart in Tableau. For this I'm going to use the Tableau Superstore dataset, and in this I will also explain you some customization, like how you can add the value that you can see over here, and also how you can change the color and add the and show the value in currency or in percentage instead of number. So let's see how we can create a pie chart in Tableau. So before we start the Tableau pie chart, I want to quickly share the information about the Salesforce Agentforce webinar. So this is the live webinar that is going to happen on 17th of September. And in this live session, you will get to know about the automation that you can do using the Salesforce Agentforce. So in this webinar, you will get a brief intro of Salesforce Agentforce and also the useful features of Agentforce. And then you will get to know different type of agent you can build in Salesforce in Agentforce. And along with this, you will also learn the activation of agent and how it works. So if you are in the Salesforce ecosystem, then this webinar is totally going to be the worth of your time. And I will leave the registration link in the description. So make sure to sign up and reserve your spot. So let's move ahead and see how we can create the pie chart. So as of now, I'm using the Tableau Desktop Public Edition. And in this, first we need to connect the data source to the Tableau. So for that, click on the button connect to data, and here are the various options through which you can connect your data. So in this example we are going to use the simple superstore. So I have already stored that in external file, that is in a Excel format. So from the superstore data source we need the orders table, and after adding the orders table we will go to the sheet 1. So in this pie chart we are going to display the share of sales for the different regions. So in Tableau, we already have an inbuilt option to create a pie chart. So when you click on this Show Me tab, then here you go to the pie, and here you can see for pie chart we need to use one measure for size, another measure for the angle, and one dimension for the color. So here you can see these are the green marks, these are the dimension that are there, and the hash marks over here, these are the measures. So we are going to select the measure sales. So this sales measure will work both for the measure size and the measure angle. So I'm going to divide the sales based on the region. So I will select the dimension region, and after this you have to simply click on the pie in the Show Me tab, and then it will show a pie chart over here. So first we will set the view to entire view, and now you can see the share of sales for each region in this pie chart. And you can also change the color. For this you have to click on the colors card in the mark section, and here click on the edit colors button, and from here you can assign another palette that you want to see in the pie chart. So after selecting the color you have to simply click on the OK button, and the same colors will be reflected in the pie chart. So here to see the values we need to hover on the pie chart. So if you want this value on the pie chart without hovering the cursor on the pie slices, so you can go to the label card and here select show marks label. Then it will show the cells for the each region. And for example, you want to see both the dimension and the measure values. So here the dimension is region. So I will also add the region to the label card, and again the sales. So from here I will again add the sales to the label card. So here you can see both measure value and the dimension. So from this pie chart, we can see the sales distribution across the various regions. And in case you don't want to see the value in the numbers, if you want to see in the currency, so for that, go to the mark section and click on the sum sales, and here select format. Then in the format, click on the pen tab, and here select numbers. So here we want to display in the currency format. So we will select currency standard or custom. So if you don't want to see any decimals in the currency, you can set the decimals to 0, and display units I will select K. So instead of showing the whole figure, it will show the values in round figure with the suffix K, that represents the thousand. And here we will select the prefix for the dollar, and now you can see the values of sales is appearing in currency. And in case you want to see this values in percentage instead of currency, then what you can do, so to show the percentage, again go to the mark section, and for the sales label, click on drop down and select format, and this time instead of number, select percentage. So here you can see the percentage is appearing exactly as the sales values. So here we don't want it. So here we want the percentage of the total. So for that, again go to the mark section, and here click on the label of sum sales and select quick table calculation, and here select percentage of total. So now you will see the share of percentage for each region out of the total sales. So this is how you can also add percentage in Salesforce pie chart. So in this way you can create a pie chart in Tableau in which you can distribute a measure like sales, profit, discount on the basis of dimensions like category, city, region, product name, shipping date, segment, etc. So this was all about the Tableau pie chart and its customization.